Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your Instagram search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of the Instagram homepage. Tap on the search bar at the top, then tap on See All in the top right. You can tap the X to the right of a search to delete that individual search, or you can tap Clear All and Clear All again on the pop-up to clear all of your recent searches. You can also clear your search history by going to your profile page and clicking the 3 lines menu button at the top right of the page. Choose your activity from the menu. Tap Recent Searches. Again, you can tap the X to the right of a search to delete just that search, or you can tap Clear All at the top and Clear All on the pop-up to delete all recent searches. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.